Welcome to today's video, where we're going to tackle a common question that many developers face when working with DataTables, also known as DT. If you've ever worked with large data sets and needed to customize the sorting filter position in your tables, then this video is for you. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to change the sorting filter position in DT. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of the steps involved and be able to apply them to your own project. When working with DataTables, it's common to want to customize the layout to better suit your needs. One area that can be particularly tricky is adjusting the position of the sorting filter. By default, the sorting filter appears above the table. But what if you need it below, or even within the table itself? This is where things can get a bit tricky. To understand how to change the sorting filter position in DT, let's first break down the components involved. The sorting filter is essentially a container element that holds the filtering inputs and controls for each column. By default, this container is rendered above the table, but we can modify its position using some clever CSS manipulation. Imagine your datatable as a stack of blocks, with each block representing a different component: the filtering inputs, the table itself, and any other surrounding elements. To change the sorting filter position, we need to think about how these blocks interact with each other and adjust their order accordingly. For example, if you want the sorting filter to appear below the table, you'll need to adjust the CSS so that the filtering container is positioned after the table element in the DOM. This might involve adding some custom classes or modifying existing ones to achieve the desired layout. Another approach is to use DataTables' built-in options and callbacks to customize the rendering process. By tapping into these hooks, you can inject your own HTML elements or modify the existing structure to suit your needs. For instance, you could use the initComplete callback to append a custom filtering container below the table after it's been rendered. To summarize the key points discussed in this video, to change the sorting filter position in DT, you'll need to adjust the CSS or utilize DataTables' built-in options and callback. Think of your datatable as a stack of blocks and adjust the order accordingly to achieve the desired layout. You can modify existing classes or add custom ones to customize the filtering container's position. That concludes today's tutorial on changing the sorting filter position in DT. If you have any questions or need further clarification, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more content related to DataTables and web development. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider sharing it with your network or linking back to it from your own website. As a final call to action, I encourage you to experiment with different layout configurations in your own projects and explore the possibilities of customizing DataTables to suit your needs. Happy coding!